welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Samsung Smart Hub TV. So all you need to do is press the home button. Now, if you haven't got the latest version of the Samsung software, come down here and you should see apps, and you just need to click that and it'll take you to this page, what I'm going to show everyone else with the latest update, where you need to come to the top from the home screen and go to apps, select apps, and now no matter what software you're on, it'll look very similar to this, where it'll give you some recommendations here. Here's some provided by Samsung. You go down, editor's choice, different apps that you can choose from here. Now if you don't see an app that you like, you can come to the left here and search for it, or come into different genres here. So let's say sports, and we can give all these apps here. You just simply want to press on any one that you fancy downloading, select install, and that app will be installed on your Samsung Smart TV. So that's how easy it is to download apps on your Samsung Smart Hub TV.